How to forward voice messages. On Instagram, has someone sent you a voice message and you need to forward it to someone else? You came to the right place in today's video. I'm going to show you how to forward voice messages on Instagram, so just follow my steps. Let's open the Instagram application on our phone, and then open the conversation in which you have that voice message which you want to forward. If I long press on the voice message, I'm going to get two options, but I don't have the forward option like I have with regular text messages. So we will have to use a little trick. You want to record your screen while the message is playing. So on iPhone, open the control center and then tap on the screen recording button. But if you're an Android user, the screen recording will be in the notification center or somewhere. So just start recording your screen and then play the voice message. Once the message finishes playing, stop the screen recording and then that will be saved into your photo gallery. The last step is to open the other conversation in which you want to forward the voice message and just send the video or the screen recording of that voice message when the other person opens the video. They'll be able to hear the voice message loud and clear.